Hello, in this video I will be reviewing how to fill out a progress survey in SMC's GPS. So first, what I'm going to do is click on the Students tab so that I can access my students, any outstanding flags, referrals, to-dos, and kudos that I have to resolve, and also the Student Progress Survey tab. For the Student Progress Survey, I'll click on the tab in the upper right corner. And here for my class, I have all of my students, and I have select items that I can raise. For this progress survey, there happens to be kudos, flags, and referrals. Once I start filling out the survey, the browser will automatically save my progress. Depending on your internet connection, it may take a minute or two for it to save. So here you can see that I've selected kudos for 2 of my students. If I navigate away from the progress survey and navigate back, my progress has been saved. I'll hit the submit button once I'm ready to submit the survey to the system. For kudos, I have the option of writing a comment, but it is optional, it is not required. For flags, I'll want to select a flag and then add a comment, but these are also optional. For an academic referral, a comment is required. Once I've completed filling out the survey, I can hit the submit button. You'll notice that not all students have received a raised item, and that is because for some of those students, I want to use either a different flag or a different referral that is not part of the survey. At any time, I can use the My Students tab to raise any flag that I want, or referral, or kudos. The progress survey is only offering a select few of those items, but it's a nice quick way to raise an item for all of your students. So since I've completed the progress survey, I'll hit the submit button.